What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another family dinner with Rissa. Yes. So, how's everybody doing tonight? It is Monday, and I have some broccoli, some sauteed broccoli with some baked chicken. You can take a close up. Mm-hmm. So, want to get into my prayers first. I don't know why. I don't know why I always pick up my fork rather than, just saying my prayers first. So, let's get into it. Amen. I hope everybody's day was good. My day was good. So, yep. Sorry about my turkey sandwich video. It got cut off, y'all. It got cut off. I ran out of storage. I didn't know. I didn't know I was running out of storage. I guess with the videos, piling up, it took up a lot of storage. But don't worry. I ordered another USB cord. SD cord. SD, you know what I'm trying to say. The memory card. I ordered another one. Yep. So, what everybody did today? I ran a lot of errands. I cooked, cleaned up. Oh, I'm so sorry. I took the first bite. I'm gonna let y'all take the second bite. It's sauteed with some butter, some garlic, some onion, some I can't even think of everything I put in here. Some Abdul. I put some cayenne pepper in there. I put some black pepper. Ooh, I'm looking in my cabinet to see some of the things I put in there. Bouillon cube. I know how to say that. I was gonna put some cheese on it, but I'm just like, nah. I ain't gonna put no cheese on that. It's kind of it's kind of spicy hot though, but not a lot. I like a little bit of spice, not a lot of spice. I like them noodles, and I didn't dilute my noodles in water either. I put a little bit of water. And them things, if you dilute them in water, they not gonna be that hot. I should have did that. Oh, I should have did it, but I wanted to do it like it was supposed to be done. This chicken is good. This chicken is kind of spicy. Take a bite. It's got garlic and it's got the same thing. Basically, the broccoli has. The chicken was baked in the oven. The broccoli was sauteed on top of the oven. Ooh. Diet Pepsi. Garlic can make stuff hot too. These chunks of garlic. They'll make your food kind of spicy. good though. Even though it's kind of spicy. I don't do well with spice. You see, I'm already coughing. My nose trying to run. I'm trying to catch it. Ooh. Ooh. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. What's going on? What's going on? What's up? Don't never let nobody tell you can't do something. Now, don't ever stop until you reach your goal. Whatever goal it is you're trying to reach in life. Don't stop until you reach it. Stay prayed up. I think that's the most important thing. Keep everybody out your business. Everything else will fall in place. And know who is truly for you. No. Not the ones that say, oh yeah, I'm your friend. I ain't gonna never do nothing to hurt you, betray you. No. Prove it. So, anyways. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up another video. I decided not to eat any carbs tonight. Yeah. Honestly, I'm not trying to gain all that weight. I'm just saying. Let me know if it's something specific you want me to try. I sound like a broken record because I say that in every one of my videos, I think. But I guess I'm trying to, let you know that I'm going to be there for you. If it's that bias, if it's whatever it is. Leave it in the comments. If I don't know, I'm going to say I don't know. I'm not going to mislead anyone. So, if I don't know, I'm going to say I'm sorry. But, I don't know. I'll see if I can, get the answer. I'll ask anybody else, for their opinion. We family, we gotta stick together. Stick together. Yeah. This is good. This is real good. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, this is good. Mm-mm-mm. I wonder if there's any other mukbangers from Tampa. Let me know. Leave it in the comments. Maybe we can do some collabs together. Or close. Even close to Tampa. Maybe we can do some collabs together. I know I'm a small channel, just getting started. But we all had to start somewhere. I appreciate any and all support. Any and all support. Just the hey Rissa, how you doing? It don't matter. Come through and chat with me for a second. I'm dropping stuff out my mouth. I'm dropping stuff out my mouth, Jesus. This chicken is good. Spicy, but good. I think I put a little bit too much cayenne on that, boo. Woo! I know I'll be looking over these glasses, so I thought I was looking right. I must have been looking wrong. I found that darn pepper. Oh, that cayenne pepper on that chicken. Oh, yeah. There's some cayenne on that chicken. And then I turned around and put cayenne in the broccoli. Because I didn't think I had put that much in the chicken. But that was my mistake. Well, this can't be no long video. Like I said, I'm waiting on my other memory card to come. Love y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thank y'all for eating with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up another video. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. And I'm out.